side. It's all black.
Weeds.
Yeah, I didn't mean to get into that, but I did.
That's what happened.
Yeah, I really can't open it up. That's forward right there. You pull it, and then you just right and left.
Pointing at me, that's scary.
We got a problem. Hang on. Let it float this way.
It's burning up in there.
Yeah. It may have got hot.
Hope it ain't on fire.
Oh, I think it may be.
You need the
Get some water on it.
faster.
Yeah, it may just be steam because it's dissipating pretty quick. I think it's probably just steam.
Yeah, I think you got some water in it.
Yeah.
Let
me try it.
Try it. Hang on. I thought I should carry those wrenches with me. No, that motor got hot. Something got hot. Dadgummit, it burned my finger. That's not hot. Hang on. Why is it so hot? Okay. Let's see a minute. I don't know why that thing was so hot. I mean, that was hot enough to burn my finger.
What'd you touch?
The coupler on the motor, but the motor itself is not that hot. I wonder if I didn't have enough grease on that shaft.
Yeah, you had a bunch of that shaft.
Yeah, I mean it. Well, hang on.
It's almost like that shaft isn't aligned straight in there to some degree. Or, oh, it's got a flat side on it.
It looks like the prop itself is spinning on the shaft.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, man, it got loose whenever it got in the weeds and then it...
Oh, that's what it is. Yeah, the prop nut came loose. Tell you what, hang on, let me walk up there and get a
So the nut
my wrenches
here or down here?
No, here. That's why it was slipping. know, the other upgrade people do to these things is upgrade to a 3/16 prop shaft.
A little bigger and beefier.
Yeah, and I think whenever you're running it on these 3S, maybe that's really advisable.
A little too much torque for that little one.
Yeah. Okay.
Do those beeps mean that it's okay? I mean, is there a certain, like on a boat where it beeps twice and all that, you know, where
Yeah,
you know that
you
you're
just,
good to
yeah,
go?
if it only beeped once, you would know that there would be some issue somewhere.
An error. Feel good?
Mm-hmm. That's why I'm anxious to get that temperature sensor on there. And the upgraded cooling. I knew I had some water in it that way because I had to back it up, but it really tipped. And never ever leave a LiPo battery plugged in, unattended.